Some TPT products create growth, and some mostly create more maintenance. The problem is a lot of sellers do not realize the difference until their store starts feeling overwhelming. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for nearly 2 decades, and one thing I eventually realized is this: not all growth strengthens the business equally. Some growth creates leverage, other growth creates complexity. Some TPT sellers create products without thinking about operational impact, but eventually every product creates updates, customer questions, revisions, management, and maintenance. And if products are not strategically supporting the overall store, complexity starts growing faster than leverage. That's when stores begin feeling heavy and scattered and difficult to manage. Because growth without structure eventually creates stress. This became very clear inside my own store because my business grew heavily through creation for many years. And eventually, I realized some products were contributing far more to long-term growth than others. That forced me to start thinking more strategically about product roles, product structure, and operational simplicity. Some TPT sellers measure success by how many products they create. But eventually, a more important question becomes, what kind of business are those products actually creating? A lot of stores feel overwhelming because products were added without enough strategic structure underneath them. If you want help identifying what is currently limiting your TPT growth, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below. It will help you pinpoint the constraint in your store so you can make clearer growth decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to show you why some TPT products continue creating growth for years, while others stay isolated one-time sales. I will see you in the next video.